All living things on our planet live in a gravitational field. Gravity is ever present, and that means that gravity is exerting a constant downward force on our body. In other words, it's interacting with our skeleton, our postural habits, in ways that over time contribute to the gradual shortening of our spine. In fact, there's a gradual shortening of our entire self. So a longer, better organized spine is a happier spine. If your spine has become shortened, then the discs between the vertebrae have become compressed. And that means you're much more likely to experience back pain. So this program, Defying Gravity, is inspired by my experience of almost 50 years of working with people who are suffering pain and disorganization of their spine and back pain, hip joint pain. I've found that lengthening the spine plays a role in almost every person's recovery and helps them to improve many aspects of their posture, their self-use, and movement in general. In addition to helping you elongate your spine, the Defying Gravity lessons in this program, I believe, will help you to feel lighter, to feel taller, to improve the carriage of your head and neck, to reduce the symptoms of scoliosis, kyphosis, and improve the health of the discs that are between each pair of vertebrae, and in general reduce asymmetrical wear and tear on your spine. And even last but not least, I think they will also increase your range and your ease of movement. So as always, feel welcome to write to us with any questions, and here's to your learning and your health.